Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to hit a golf flop shot. Open the club face wide and play the ball forward in your stance. Use a slightly open stance with weight on the front foot and a soft wrist hinge. Swing along the target line and accelerate through the ball to generate spin and loft. Keep your lower body quiet and commit to the shot with confidence and a firm left wrist at impact. Set up with an open stance and the ball off the front foot to promote high, soft landing shots. Grip lightly and hinge your wrists to create a shallow bucket on the downswing. Position your weight slightly forward and keep your legs relaxed to allow rotation. Pick a lofted wedge and practice opening the face until you trust the bounce. Focus on acceleration through the ball for clean contact and consistent spin. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading coaching guides and scorecards between rounds, and it fits easily in your golf bag. It's waterproof and has adjustable warm light, so you can study short game shots anywhere. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if it helps your game. Now let's get back to the video. Use a compact backswing and a pronounced wrist hinge to load the club for loft. Swing along the target line and strike the ball with a steep, accelerating motion to clip the turf quickly. Keep your lower body steady while your upper body rotates freely to ensure the face remains open at impact. Practice varying face angles and swing length to dial in trajectory, distance, and spin for different lies and pin locations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.